Hello viewers, welcome to Tech Team. Let's see how to create a Discord server. First open your Discord apps or go to web browser and go to Discord website and log into your account. Now on the left side you can see there is a plus button. Click there. You can create server from template like gaming, study group, etc. Also you can create your own. Now you can choose for me or my friends or for club or community. Now you can see there is a plus icon and upload option. You can select profile picture for your server. Now write your server name and click create. Now your server is ready. On the left side you can see there is channels, text channels and voice channels. You can add people by clicking plus icon. On the right side you can see there is a show member list. If you click there, the member list will be seen here. Thank you. If you like this video, please subscribe.